Most cabinet doors have a center panel and a frame. Today, we're going to focus on the frame. The frame of your cabinet door is made with 4 pieces that fit together with a mitered or cope and stick joint. You can learn more about our joint styles here. The 4 pieces of the frame are the following: the left stile, right stile, top rail, and bottom rail. The stiles run the full length of the door vertically on the left and right sides. The rails are horizontal and fit between the stiles. Most of our doors feature stiles and rails that are 2, 2 1/4, 2 1/2, or 3 inches thick. This is determined by the style of door. You can find more information in the product description. Our matching 5-piece drawer fronts are very similar. However, the rails are reduced on matching styles. When ordering a large door, it may need a center rail for stability, for all cabinet doors that are over 50 inches in height. Without a center rail, we cannot guarantee your cabinet door. If you're looking for doors in larger sizes, then Thermofoil can be a great choice and does not require a center rail. In addition, Thermofoil is resistant to twisting or warping, so it tends to hold up better in larger sizes over time. And remember, if you have any questions or need help getting started, just give us a call or send us an email. We're always happy to help.